where you will get one competency-based question daily covering macroeconomics, Indian economic development, microeconomics, and statistics. Today's question is a case study in Indian economic development, where you need to answer the questions based on the case study. Marks allotted to this question are 6. So, get ready to test your knowledge, analyze concepts, and let's learn something new together. This case study is about employment generation among women. The scheme is launched by Niti Aayog. Let's read it. The Women Entrepreneurship Platform, launched by Niti Aayog in 2018, has created a supportive ecosystem for women entrepreneurs in India. Through partnerships with organizations like SIDBI and Flipkart, this platform facilitates access to credit, e-commerce, and skill development. By 2023, it reported 30,000 active registrations, with women-led businesses achieving 20 to 30% revenue growth. Initiatives like Her and Now have specifically empowered entrepreneurs in Tier 2 and 3 cities. It addresses skill gaps and networking barriers, fostering opportunities in sectors such as technology, agriculture, and small enterprises, significantly impacting women's economic empowerment. 3 questions are given here. First, how has the Women Entrepreneur Platform contributed to job creation among women in India? 2. What role has the Women Entrepreneurship Platform played in increasing women's participation in non-traditional sectors? And 3. How does the Women Entrepreneurship Platform address the employment challenges faced by rural women? Since the case study is for 6 marks and 3 questions are provided, it implies answer to each question would carry 2 marks. To answer questions in the case study, 2 things are important. 1. Focus on the details as given in the case study, and 2. Be aware of the recent changes that are taking place in the economy. So question 1, how has the Women Entrepreneurship Platform contributed to job creation among women in India? Women Entrepreneur Platform has enabled women entrepreneurs to create employment opportunities by supporting small and medium enterprises. Businesses led by women have collectively generated thousands of jobs in rural and urban areas, particularly in industries like handicrafts, food processing, and retail. Question 2. What role has the Women Entrepreneurship Platform played in increasing women's participation in non-traditional sectors? Women Entrepreneur Platform's initiatives have promoted women's entry into technology, manufacturing, and renewable energy sectors. By offering skill training, mentorship, and investor access, the Women Entrepreneur Platform has encouraged women to explore non-traditional, high-growth industries, contributing to their professional diversification. 3. How does the Women Entrepreneur Platform address the employment challenges faced by rural women? Women Entrepreneur Platform provides rural women access to digital platforms, microfinance, and marketing channels to grow their businesses. Its collaborations like those with Flipkart help rural entrepreneurs reach broader markets, enabling economic empowerment and reducing dependency on subsistence agriculture. The information about the case study has been taken from the sources as mentioned. I hope you have understood how to answer the questions of a case study. You need to create awareness about inclusive economic initiatives taken by the central government. Like this scheme, it has successfully empowered women entrepreneurs, especially in rural and underserved areas, as well as Tier 2 and 3 cities, driving towards social equity. So keep practicing such case studies and stay curious. Thank you for joining in today, and don't forget to join me tomorrow for another exciting question in the series. Until then, stay motivated and keep learning. See you in the next session.